हेलो, नमस्कार, आदाब और कैसे हैं आप? A very good evening, and so it's a Tuesday evening. Yes, it's a Tuesday. मतलब कोविड के चक्कर में ये हाल है कि पता नहीं चलता कि मंडे है या ट्यूसडे है। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि यूपी में तो वीकेंड भी लॉकडाउन है। So whatever little bit we could go out on the weekends, now even that is closed. So we can't go out at all. So the panga is bigger because we are locked up at home and you don't come to know about the days and the it's problem. It's okay. ठीक है, चलता है जब तक हम आपसे मिल रहे हैं तब तक सब कुछ चलता है. And as we were doing this session of uh, showstoppers, because along with the artist, as I always say, that there is always a parallel profession that works with it, and that's how the whole show becomes complete. So on the first day we met Sangeeta Das Banerjee. She's a photographer. On the second day we did have Sandeep Datta Dada, who's a light designer. Yesterday we had anchor Bharti Dan. Although there was a lot of problem, but I must say that I bought a new laptop. I bought a new laptop for this show, so that this show doesn't go anywhere lagging, and we can be fast and it is quick because my earlier laptop got really loaded. So, and I have a lot of people coming in. Hello, namaskar, Yashasni. Um, Meg Ranjani. Hi, Meg Ranjani. You look so pretty. I call her the princess. Didi, you're looking so beautiful. And we have Sangeeta Das Banerjee. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, Bandhu. Gorgeous. My Bandhu. Oh, the diva is calling me a diva. So nice, Aprajita, to see you here. And let me welcome the guest of the evening, Anuradha
Yeah.
Mathur. Hi,
Hi.
Anuradha. How are you doing?
Hi,
It's
Alaknanda.
so
How are
nice to
you?
see you.
Same here. Fabulous
All
to
good,
see
all
you. And
good.
a
और
nice.
आज आपसे मिलकर तो और अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ, मुझे भी थैंक्स आपकी वजह से आज थोड़ा सा ड्रेसअप होने का मौका मिला. ना तो हम लोग ऐसे कपड़ों में घूम रहे थे.
हाँ, ये बहुत अच्छा. मैं तो आज थोड़ी सी मैं नर्वस थी क्योंकि like you are such a renowned makeup artist and you have done so much of work, so I was a bit scared ki whether my makeup is right or not, or what am I doing, and I
Alaknanda,
hope I
you're
don't.
such a pretty girl that whatever you do, you look fantabulous. So you don't have to be conscious at all.
Thank you, that's your love, that's your love. And
And Alexandra, I have known you when you were a very, very young, dynamic girl, a young girl. And of course, today you have become a more beautiful woman. So I have seen your journey.
yeah,
I've seen
you
you
have.
grow.
You have. And Sangeeta Das Banji says, hello, Anuradha ji, namaskar. And we have Vibha Kapoor ji also saying, looking so pretty. Thank you, Vibha ji. And like, आज तो थोड़ा सा टेंशन तो था मेरे को कि मैं सही तरीके से तैयार हो जाऊं, और थोड़ी एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन भी मैंने की है. एंड आई होप आई हैवंट फॉलन शॉर्ट ऑफ
You're looking
एनीथिंग.
very pretty as always, Alexandra, as always.
Thank you. Um, you have been this season, or because this is the fifth season of Oops, I Said It, and we have been working so far with different kind of professions. Like first, it was with my girlfriends only, and then it was male dancers. Then it was show. Then it was path breakers who have taken a different turn in the career, and now it is the showstoppers. There's one more in between which I don't remember right now, so not a problem. So showstoppers, this is about parallel professions which go along with the artist. मतलब स्टेज पे तो आर्टिस्ट मेन दिखता है, या टीवी पे एक आर्टिस्ट मेन दिखता है जो एक्टर है या एक्ट्रेस है, या स्टेज पे डांसर है एंड सिंगर है, या स्पेशली डांसर्स और थिएटर एक्टर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. बट there are a lot of people who make that whole show go on. And we have had Sangeeta Das Banerjee as a photographer. We have had light designer. Yesterday we had anchor Bharti Dang, and today makeup artist. Your profession, which is a major, because I remember when I first called you for my Oops series, which I was shooting at Logic Mall with my girlfriends. So and आई जस्ट मतलब एक शाम पहले, अब मैंने आपको बोला कि मैं कर रही हूँ, पता नहीं कैसे होगा. यस तमन्ना, I did remember that Didi one you forgot, let the men speak. Yes, we had the men series also. So that one evening that I called you, वैसे कि अनुराधा जी आप आइए देखिए मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ, मेरे बालों का कुछ कीजिएगा. And you got everything, every makeup, and I could not recognize myself. This is me. I don't believe it. That magic you did, you know.
Yeah, so it was a
I,
different look, Alagada. You are otherwise always in a little Indian kind of a look.
yes,
And
yes,
that day I
yes,
tried to give you a Western look which matched with
yes.
your attire that day. And
Right.
yes, it was a beautiful transformation.
Yeah, it was a
Yes.
magical transformation. I could never think that
Yes.
I could look that way also. Anuradha ji, tell me about your journey. Like, how did you think of going into makeup, and what prompted you to take up this profession?
Okay. So should I start from start, Alagna? That's going to be a long story
Absolutely,
then.
absolutely. We want to know it from the scratch. We want like a 10-year-old girl, if she has a fascination for the uh, career,
Um,
a 16-year-old, so that they get the cue points from you or the key points from you.
okay. So Alagna, it's like this that I was a very bright student in school, almost among the top students. And somehow I was always fascinated with this line. And my mom, after my class 10, she told that you do a personal grooming course so that at least you can take care of yourself. And that's how I was introduced to the beauty industry as such. Never with the idea of actually taking up as a profession, because when I started, about 30 years back, Alaknanda, it was not something which people would really look up to. And but somewhere in my heart, I always was inclined towards it. And because I was good student, and at that time, it was a very done thing for girls to become a doctor. So my parents always had this that you should become a doctor, which
Okay.
for some reason could not happen. And I got married at a very, very early age. I was only 21. And I went to Jamshedpur, Tatanagar, after my marriage. And of course, Tatanagar is a very beautiful place. It's like an oasis in the desert. But education system was not really so great at that time. So I had to pursue, I was a BSc student, but I had to take up MA in English because there was not much scope of doing a proper MSc there. And then I just told my mother, my new mom, I must say, that I want to start a parlor. And she was very supportive. And I looked at Nanda, we just had two-bedroom house because my husband had just started his job with Tata Motors. One bedroom was my in-laws and one was mine. And it was from my bedroom without investing even 25 naya paisa. I started my work, because my in-laws had been living in Jamshedpur for many years. So they had a wonderful circle of friends, and they went around telling कि हमारी बहू पार्लर खोल रही है, आप लोग प्लीज आइएगा. And so I started my work. And I remember, in first 4 months, Alaknanda, 4 months, I made 500 rupees. And it
Oh,
was a big thing that I touched 500 rupees milestone. But I was a hardworking person, and I always, thought ahead of times. Like in Jamshedpur, there was nobody trained from Shahnaz Hussain. And at that
Okay.
point in time, Shehnaz was a very, very big name in the industry. So
Absolutely.
I went back to Bangalore, where my parents live at that time, and I stayed there for 3 months. And I was
Okay.
pursuing my BEd also. Along with that, I did my course from Shehnaz. So when I went back to Jamshedpur, I was armed with a degree from a reputed person, and there that made a huge impact. And I remember, in my so-called parlor, which was from my bedroom, I had topmost Tata Motors uh, officers' wives coming to me for their work, and it
Right.
was such a big thing. Yeah. And then I had this dream of doing course from all the topmost people in India, which I was very lucky because when we moved to Delhi, I got this opportunity and I did courses from almost all the topmost training
Right.
schools in India.
Yeah,
And there's
that's
one thing,
something nice, Anuradha, because I feel that once a person starts a business or starts working or starts earning, they stop to groom themselves. What I feel about you when you're talking, that you never stop yourself from learning more, you know.
no,
So that
never. That
was
thirst has.
one USP.
Yes. And Alaknanda, from my bedroom, then when we came to Delhi, I told my husband, now at least take a three-bedroom house so that, I can have a separate room for my salon. And here also, when I set up my salon, there was no looking back. And then eventually, I moved to the market and I got two shops and a beautiful makeup studio. So it has been a very beautiful journey. And, whatever I could think in this line, I have worked as a beauty consultant for ZTV. I've done live shows for them. I have, taken classes for Elite Modeling Management, which is one of the topmost modeling agencies. So I was teaching skincare and makeup over there. I have
But
done
Anuradha
makeup
ji, I
for
want to ask one more thing. Like, for a woman, to have a career, and then comes the motherhood, then comes the household. So how did you balance? मतलब आपके clients भी wait कर रहे हैं, आपके बच्चे भी आपका wait कर रहे हैं, and maybe your in-laws and your husband is also waiting. Right. So how did you manage this transition from, looking after a client and then managing your children and then also serving your in-laws or your parents? So how did you mix and match them?
So, Alaka, that was not an easy journey. Honestly, it needed a lot of grit and determination, and I had to be really stubborn about my profession. It was very easy, at times, I really felt that I should give it up. But it's my passion. Like, Alaknanda, when I see you dancing on the stage, I can see that same passion in you. So, I can really relate to you, the way you are connected to your art. And Priyambada, come here. I must introduce, my this brat.
Yeah,
So there is
this is
now.
my little heroine.
So
So
yes,
Priyamvada,
so
how I know Anuradha ji is because Priyamvada is my disciple, and Anuradha ji got her to me when she was very, very young. And she's still dancing. The
yes,
best part is
only
that she's
5 years
still
old.
dancing.
Only 5 years old.
Yeah, she
Yes.
must have been 5 years old.
So
And it's
what,
great to see her
Alaknanda?
dancing.
Once I had two clients, and my husband was at home, my in-laws were there, and this girl would just not let me attend to those clients. I had to send them back. So it was not easy. It was very difficult because for 9 years, I worked completely without any assistant when I was in Jamshedpur. So it was
Right.
very difficult. Yes,
That's
you
why,
have to be determined.
a woman has to go through many transitions to,
Yes,
to be where she is today. Today, like, you have
absolutely.
everything by your side. You have your nice business, you have your parlor, you have your name, you have your success story, but it goes step by step. मतलब अभी कोई अनुराधा को देखता है तो उनको अनुराधा का जगह चाहिए, पर अनुराधा ने कितनी मशक्कत की होगी, शायद ये उन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता होगा.
Right. Let's not go too far back. अभी जब salons खुलने की बात हुई,
हाँ.
when the lockdown was there, हमारा, and I'm working with a huge staff. I've got about 14 people working under me. I've got a nail technician, I've got hairdressers, I've got topmost beauticians working with me. Very good girls. So, for about 2.5 months, we were sitting and just holding our breath, when we'll get the permission to start our salon. And then finally, the day came when Delhi government said that you can start the salons. So on 1st of June, I messaged all my clients that I am starting on 8th of June, because that was the date which was given by the government. And on 3rd June, Alaknanda, my husband, said, I can take care of everything, all financial needs. Why do you want to go and work? Because Alaknanda, I'm asthmatic, and my parents who are
Oh,
aged, they are living
oh,
with me. So he was very
oh.
concerned because he said all three of you fall in a very high risk category. So why do you want to go and work? What is the pressing need? I mean, I can definitely take care of all the financial needs. And how would I tell him, it's my baby. It's not about making money. It's not about,
Yeah.
you know, I can't part with it, and right now also, and then, I had to really convince him that I'll take all precautions. And then, of course, he said, okay. And today also, I'm not, really making any profits in my business. I'm barely, able to recover the running cost. But still, my salon is running, my work is going on, and that's what
That is the
keeps me
biggest
going.
satisfaction. Yes, I
Yes.
understand. I understand what you say, because even I feel like, going back to my center, all the online classes are going very well, but yet going back to the center, giving a hug to my students, but
Yes.
चेंज करना, उनके मूवमेंट को सही करना, उनके एक्सप्रेशन को सही करना बहुत
Yes.
मैटर करता है। और ये
बहुत
कह रही
ज्यादा,
है
बहुत
नूपुर
ज्यादा।
इज सेइंग red it is, I got it right, yeah, yes, yes, I had before the thing I went pre-live, I always go pre-live and I asked them to guess what color I would be wearing today, तो काफी लोगों ने रेड पकड़ लिया। तो प्रिया प्रिया लिखती है, अरे मैंने सोचा कुछ डिफरेंट होगा, मैंने कहा यार मैंने इस बार रेड पहना ही नहीं, मैंने पिंक ब्लू ब्लैक पहना, मैंने रेड पहना ही, सो लेट मी वेयर रेड। एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू देयर लॉट ऑफ पीपल who are watching us, Anuradha ji. There's Sunita Sharma, there's Yashasni Dhanau, Nandini Khattar, Meghna Singh, Orko Sengupta, Amicable, Amelia, Vibha Kapoor ji, Neeraj Sharma, Chavi Khanna, Tamanna Tikku, Aparajita, Sangeeta Das Banerjee, Rekha Raju. Hi Rekha Raju ji, how are you? And Gunjan Sharma and Shalini Jain and lot more, and lot of um, uh, this thing is also coming up. Romel Katoria says, hello, ma'am. Keep smiling and shining. Yes, Romel. I will remember to do that. And Sangeeta has something to ask. Sangeeta says, don't you think that that is more reason women should stand by each other? Don't you think that that's more reason why we should support sisterhood? Every woman has a similar story to say. Yes, Sangeeta, I think the reason to do this show also, and also to get all the women onto the platform and share their journeys, because it's very important for the audience to know that how difficult it is for a woman to go from one side of her responsibilities and duties to another level of responsibilities and duties, and how much with harmony she goes, travels through it. So that's wonderful. Why Anuradha ji, you're saying you have 14, 15 staff under you.
Yes.
So how did you grow it so big, what made you go so big and big and
So, Alaknanda, it just kept on happening because when I started my work from my house in Delhi, that time I had got a help from Jamshedpur. And I didn't even know that she had learned a lot of things seeing me doing there. And when
okay,
business grew here, she started helping me. Then within 2, 3 months, I had to get another girl, and another 2, 3 months, I had to keep another girl. And my work grew. It just grew. And the most wonderful thing was that I could not advertise my work. I could not advertise about my salon or my makeup because I was working from home, so no pamphlets, no nothing. So it was only by word of mouth that my business grew. And today also, there are clients who just stand by me.
Right.
They So it's a wonderful thing.
After the COVID, also they'll come to you only. During the COVID, after
Yes,
this lockdown, they come back to you only.
Alaknanda, most unfortunately, what is happening is a lot of salons are closing down because people are not even able to recover the running cost. But by the grace of God, I'm very fortunate that, of course, my clientele has drastically come down during these times. But I know it's only because of the COVID thing, and still, as I said, that I'm at least able to recover my running cost, which even now it's not very less. Even now it's quite a lot. And
Absolutely.
here,
The
Alaknanda, I
makeup
would like to.
itself is so expensive. The makeup itself is so expensive. It's not
Yes, it
easy.
is.
बिकॉज वी
It
आर
is
वुमन
not.
तो वो किसी भी एयरपोर्ट में जाके मैक के स्टोर में तो जाना ही है, मैक की चीजें उठानी है, और किसी और में गए तो लॉरियल चाहिए, ये वो चाहिए, एंड दे आर सो एक्सपेंसिव, इट्स नॉट इजी. So it is definitely, very, very expensive profession that you have chosen for yourself. And I've
Yes.
seen
No,
that
right now, of
you
course.
don't use anything below standard. I've seen your palette of shades, and palette of your lipstick shades, and palette of your uh, you know uh,
Yes.
liners and everything, and you don't compromise on any quality. And Bhagwat
No.
Mathurji says it is Anuradha single-handed venture grown from a small town business at Jamshedpur. That's lovely. And Sangeeta says, respect to women like Anuradha ji. Truly, she says, truly inspirational both of you are. So are you, Sangeeta. Amazing. She's an amazing photographer, and her
Yes.
photographs have fire in them, and it's amazing to have her here.
Yes.
Anuradha ji, tell me one more thing. Like, you have done stage, you have done theater, you have done television. Okay, so
Yes.
there's so many mediums of artists that you have handled, or so many mediums that you are exposed to. Which one is your favorite medium?
Um, I like to do my shoots because
Okay,
in shoots the makeup is very sophisticated. It's there that your actual art comes out, because in
right.
theater and all the makeup is not so fine. It's not so fine. It's little loud. The bass is loud.
Yes,
There's no
yes,
contouring as such. There's no
right.
contouring. So when we are working with high definition cameras, that is the time when our makeup has to be appropriate. It has to be really up to the mark. Otherwise, the camera will catch your flaws. So your real art is tested there. So I love to taking that kind of challenge.
Right. So, okay. So, and if you say, because a lot of things are depending upon, मतलब आपको करना था, but you are blessed that your parents had, you know, supported you. But do you
My
think today?
parents-in-law, Alakanda, my parents-in-law. My in-laws were very supportive. My
Oh, your
parents
in-laws.
would not have allowed me. My husband
Okay.
and my in-laws. I was very lucky that I got married into a family which supported my dream. So I must correct you here.
Perfect. Yeah. So your in-laws. Lucky woman, you are.
Yes.
Truly lucky woman, you
Yes.
are. Tell me
Yes.
how because आजकल success को देखा जाता है as per money also. How good is money in this profession? Would you advise the younger generation to take up this profession because it really is lucrative? Because nowadays people are going for corporate jobs, and where the packages start at 30K or 50K or 60K, and that's what the children want, or that's what the youngsters want. So, do you think that going into this profession of make, I know that it's very lucrative at a certain point of time you are earning well, but do you think you will advise younger generation to take up this as a profession?
Alaknanda, see, as every profession, this one also has some pros and cons. Huh?
Yeah.
So, yes, it's a wonderful profession. It's very lucrative. You can make a lot of money if your hand is good. Um, but, the moment you try to step into um, ad world, what advertisements and all, it's a cutthroat business. It's
Yes.
absolutely cutthroat. You know? So, I mean, if you have a godfather or somebody, it does help. But definitely, what I have learned in my profession is if you are honest with your
Yeah.
work, if you're, as you said, if you're using genuine products, and I'm absolutely honest with my clients. I never hide my products. I never hide anything from them. So if you're honest, then your business will grow. You will have a good name in the industry. And if you have a good name in the industry, that is what it matters. That's what matters. So
Right.
of course, it's a good career. Absolutely beautiful career.
Only your dedication and your honesty to your profession definitely speaks it all for
Then
your
I
success.
think anywhere, because if you are a top notch dancer today, you must have put in so many years of riyaz and so much of your time and energy into this profession. So I think that is what any profession needs, that kind of honesty, that kind of passion. Otherwise you
Right.
can never be successful.
Yeah, Gunjan Sharma ji says, totally agree. Quality is never compromised when it comes to Anuradha ji. Truly inspirational and way to go for both of you. Thank you, Gunjan Sharma ji. And Vibha Kapoor ji, who is associated with ICCR. I've known her for very long and she's a very dear friend. I call her my angel. She says, agree with Sangeeta ji. All of you are standing out in the crowd, making your own space and climbing up the ladder. Kudos, respect for you. All respect to you, Vibhaji, for giving space to us, for encouraging us, motivating us, and giving us opportunity to showcase our work in your own way. And मैं जैसे कहती हूँ लंदन तो मेरे उसमें था ही नहीं लिस्ट में था ही नहीं वो तो obviously I was in London 3 times because of Vibhaji's invite for the Nehru Center performance. So thank you, Vibhaji. We need more women like you to support us, and that's wonderful. And Sangeeta Das Band is beautifully put, Anuradha ji. Yes, a hard work, and there's no alternative for hard work, and that's how you can grow. And मुझे ये बताओ प्रियंवदा कितना मेकअप यूज करती है आपका?
No, she's been very lucky because Alaknanda, when we started with as a kid, जब हम लोगों ने 10th क्लास में तो ब्लू हेवन से शुरू करा था, then we graduated to Lakme,
Right.
and this girl has never touched anything below Mac or Bobby Brown, but she doesn't use. Okay, she say like this, but she
Uh,
doesn't need too much of makeup. She just use a liner or maybe a nude lipper, and then
uh,
she's on.
because daughters always have a very they have the rightful right to grab onto the mom's lipstick, and where the mom is a beautician and she's a makeup artist and having the best of the products in her kitty. So Priyamada is one of
Yes,
the most luckiest
blessed
child,
ones.
and I think her friends must be saying यार तेरी माँ के पास तो इतना सारा shades है, तू तेरे तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है तेरे को.
In
But
fact,
what I see, Priyamvada, she hardly does any makeup.
no, she doesn't. She doesn't.
She
In fact,
doesn't.
अलकनंदा, जब अभी सलोन की बात हो रही थी लॉकडाउन के बाद कि खुलेगा कि
Huh.
नहीं खोलोगी, and I was in tears. I was crying like a small baby, and she said, "Mama, Blossoms तो खुलेगा ही ना because I can't go to any other salon. I can't see myself going anywhere else. So you rest
Oh,
assured, आपको तो खुलेगा ही खुलेगा."
so
So
sweet, so sweet, so sweet. That's so lovely. I must share one story of mine with Anuradha ji, which cemented our bond with more respect and with more faith in each other. And I know that I will not be dropped if I'm somewhere in the middle of the ocean. Anuradha is just a call away. So ऐसा हुआ था कि मेरा एक शो था 2018 में, right Anuradha ji?
Yes.
2018 में, एंड आई हैड बुक्ड वन ऑफ द प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट जो हमारे फील्ड में काम करते हैं, एंड किसी और के साथ भी बात हुई थी, तो पेमेंट पे हम लोगों का कहीं पे अग्रीमेंट शायद नहीं हुआ था, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज एज बीइंग अ सेल्फ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ऑर्गेनाइजर, so we have a budget for everything, which is also not less than 20 grams or 25 grams or 30 grams हमारा उस पर चलता है. सो कुछ बात हुई, एंड उनसे बात नहीं बनी, सो अनदर सेकंड पर्सन सेड वी विल डू इट. So that first person called us back and she said, he said that अरे अलकनंदा जी का शो था तो पहले बताते, हम तो उनके साथ तो पैसे का कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, वो टाइमली दे देती हैं, एकदम शो के बाद ही एकदम मिल जाता है. सो बाय दैट टाइम बिकॉज वी हैड कमिटेड टू समबडी एल्स, वी सेड सॉरी भैया अगली बार देखेंगे, इस बार रहने दीजिए. And on the day of the show, a day before the show, I'm calling that certain fellow that भैया कल पहुंचना है, कल कमानी पहुंच जाइएगा, हम लोग वहां पे 1-1:30 बजे पहुंच जाएंगे, आप 3 बजे पहुंच जाइएगा. We are something around 30 to 40 dancers, and I do my own makeup, but for my girls also I had hired. That man was not picking up the call. It was like, I was like, what's the problem? The day of the show, that man was not picking up the call. The whole morning I was like, I was completely in a stress. I like, what should I do? तो मुझे समझ में आ गया कि ये दोनों आदमी मिलके मेरे को सबक सिखाने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं कि मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगा और तुम भी मत जाना, आज अलकनंदा को फंसने दो. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई कॉल्ड अनुराधा जी. आई सेड आज शाम को मेरा प्रोग्राम है, you have to do it, आप प्लीज आ जाओ. एंड ऑन वन आई डिडंट इवन हैव टू, एक होता ना कि जब आप किसी के पास जाते हो अपनी प्रॉब्लम के टाइम पे, दैट पर्सन मेक्स यू रियलाइज कि अरे आज उनकी बारी है. सो एज दे से एवरी बिच हैज हर ओन डे. सो आई वुड से इट वाज लाइक, बट अनुराधा जी वाज लाइक, हाँ अलकनंदा ऐसी क्या बात है, पहुंच जाओगे, कितने डांसर्स हैं. And she came and did everything. I just didn't have to worry. She got her girls to do the makeup, the hair, and everything. And जो लोग मेरे को सबक सिखाना चाह रहे थे वो खुद ही सबक सीख गए. Because I think when a woman stands by a woman, nobody on this earth, nobody on this world, in this world, can do any harm to that person. Until date now, Anuradha ji manages all. But
So
I always do a
Alexandra,
last minute
you're
call to you. ना कितना मुश्किल, मतलब कितना फंसा देती हूँ मैं आपको.
नहीं नहीं अलकनंदा, आप मेरे लिए ना हमेशा मेरी बेटी की गुरु है. सो आई हैव दैट सेम रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू विच माय डॉटर हैज फॉर यू. सो आप मेरी बेटी की गुरु है तो मुझे तो आपको उस ओहदे पे रखना ही है ना. सो आप जो कहेंगे आपके लिए, वो अगर मेरी कैपेसिटी में है तो अलकनंदा वो तो करना ही है. दैट गोज विदाउट सेइंग.
So sweet of you. So all parents are not like you. Honestly, सारे ऐसे नहीं होते. And Tamanna says, Anuradha ji, setting up a business in a whole other skill set from your makeup and grooming skills. Can you talk about some big setbacks and lessons along that journey? Yes, thanks, Tamanna. Because every business has a setback, and COVID-19 has taught us the biggest lesson, I think. But there must have been other problems also. So, can you just share with us so that people know and how you have overcome those hurdles?
So yes, of course there are hiccups always on the way, and um, okay. So I mean, there was this particular instance, wherein one of my clients, she inquired about, कि मैं मेकअप कहाँ से सीख सकती हूँ, which is the best place.
Yes, we can
Hello.
hear you. We
Okay.
can hear you.
Yeah. So she inquired कि मैं मेकअप कहाँ से सीख सकती हूँ. नहीं, she didn't say कि मैं. She said मेरी एक friend abroad से आ रही है, and she wants to become a makeup artist. So can you please suggest कि वो कहाँ से makeup सीखे? And I've always been very supportive of people, you know, and I never think twice about helping others. So I told her, I said, you go to this place, you will, I mean, your friend can go to this place, and it's a perfectly nice place. And Alaknanda, later on, I realized that she was asking for herself, and she not only had a setup of her own right behind my place, she also took two or three best girls of my studio.
Oh,
जो कि मेरे को लगता था बिल्कुल मेरे राइट हैंड है उसके बिना मेरा
backstabbing.
काम नहीं चल सकता है. Yeah, so that was little unnerving, and there have been things like that. But Alaknanda, you asked how I cope up with such things, and I'm glad you asked me that because I would definitely like to mention that I'm a practitioner of Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism, and um, this practice has given me a lot of strength because this practice has taught me that there will be hurdles on the way, but you can overcome whatever you want, and you are all powerful. You are an empowered being. So
Wow.
this is what makes me go.
Wow.
So,
Wow. The spiritual strength
so
is one of the biggest strength, I think.
yes,
That
definitely.
helps. Definitely, definitely. And Vibha Kapoor ji is asking, what is the difference between makeup of a dancer and clients in your salon? Which is more enjoyable? Dancer, बोलना dancer.
Makeup of a dancer is more enjoyable because that needs less less art, less skill. So okay, okay, let's keep it aside. See, both the makeups are enjoyable because both techniques are a little different. uh, the base is very different that we use for a dancer, and when we are doing for a client, as I said, nowadays we are very particular about using high definition makeups or even airbrush makeup. That is one thing. So base is completely different because a dancers, though we need waterproof base for both, you know, but for a dancer we use pancakes at times or pan sticks,
Right,
pancakes most and
right.
we don't do contouring for a dancer, which is an integral part of party makeups or of makeups for the model, and that changes the cut of the face entirely. We can make a broad face look very sharp. So that is one major difference, and of course, makeup for the stage is pretty loud. It is your eyeshadow has to really stand out, and it does not need so much of blending. Whereas
Right.
when we are doing makeup for the clients, then the makeup has to be absolutely blended. Lines should not show so much, whether it is eyeshadow or your contouring. It has to be blended. So it's like on your canvas, when you're painting. So
Okay.
it's that kind of feel. Every face is so unique. It's so beautiful, and my when I take up a client, I always ask her, what is that feature on your face that you absolutely like? And what is that thing that you would like to change in your face? So that gives me an idea, what I have to retain while doing the makeup, what feature I have to retain, and what is it that, I have to work upon to make it look more beautiful, more
Right.
to what she likes.
Amazing, amazing. There's so much of detailing goes in each profession. It's amazing to know that. Alia Wasim says, I've seen Anuradha ji's humility right from her initial days of her business. Very soft spoken and helpful. I agree with you, Alia. I've never seen Anuradha ji
Alia,
ever growing up her
thank you.
top. कभी भी नहीं देखा मैंने. Sangeeta says, my ma'am Anuradha ji is the best ma'am. So sweet. So sweet. And Vibha Kapoor ji says, how sweet Anuradha ji. वो चार फूल है ना, ठीक है मैं दो रख लेती हूँ और दो अनुराधा जी को दे देती हूँ. And
लाइए. PJ.
Samya Shukla says very well said. Having a spiritual support helps in most of the trying times. Yes, definitely. And Sangeeta says, what do you personally prefer, airbrush or the traditional base?
Okay. I when you say traditional pace, I take it as a mechanical, manual pace. So when we are applying manual base also, if the products are high definition, if that technique is right, if I know how to blend it properly on the skin, then trust me that even the manual makeup comes out pretty well. The base comes out pretty well. But people have a fad for airbrush makeup. They want it because it does give a smooth finish. But I personally feel that my manual makeup, because I see when I started doing makeup years back, we did not have airbrush. And there's one very interesting thing that I would like to tell Alaknanda, that I was so naive that when I would see these magazines, makeup on models and all. So I used to feel that the finish is completely because of the makeup artist's work. I had no idea about photoshopping. And
Okay,
so I used to do makeup on my staff girls, and at that time, we had this uh, Anjali Photo Studio. It's pretty far away from
right,
my house.
right,
Huh?
right.
And I did not have a driver. I did not have a car at that time, my own car or my driver. So I used to do makeup on my girls. I used to take my girls to the studio to
Okay.
get the photograph done, and to see how my makeup is looking on them, and I would try to
Wow,
match it to the work also, which I used to see on the magazine. And it was much
wow,
later I came to know that you don't have to be so perfect. Photoshopping takes care of a lot of things, but that's
wow.
why I personally feel that my base is pretty good. Even manual base is good.
Well, that is how,
So
no,
it
like
depends
there's
on
so
the
much of work that one has to do, and one doesn't even realize when people look at a successful person what has gone through that success. Tell me, what is the most, which feature do you like to do the makeup for any woman? Yeah,
eyes. Eyes. They
eyes.
talk. Eyes talk. So that's the most beautiful part of the face to work on. And it's wonderful to work with colors, because you have so many colors you can work with, and the way you apply eyeliner. Um, I love doing eye makeups. I love
Oh
it.
wow. I love eye makeups. In fact, I've been doing a lot of others. Like I love to see different kind of eye, and I experiment so badly with all my eye makeups. And
No, no,
Sangeeta
your
has
makeup is
another.
perfect.
So for my studio shoots, I prefer manual makeup too. That's why I asked. Thank you. Seems I am right in my choice. Yes, your choice is
Yes.
always right, Sangeeta.
For
And
fake
Tamanna.
shoes, definitely.
Yeah. I always feel that the nose needs a lot of makeup because I have a very fat nose. It seems I don't have the point of the nose. So I always feel I really don't know how to do that part. And I find it very difficult to do the makeup when it comes to the nose part of my face.
So, though I don't find any flaw with your nose, Anaconda, but yes, after eyeshadow, after the eye makeup, the best part which I like is contouring, because that also transforms the face completely. And
Absolutely.
मतलब मैं जब मेकअप करती हूँ तो I always take before and after makeup, है ना?
Yeah.
So whenever I come home and show my makeups to my husband, he says, "तुम एक दिन बहुत पिटोगी अन्नू." तुम एक
हाँ,
दिन बहुत
मतलब
पिटोगी.
मतलब शादी के मंडप में तो किसी और को देखा था, सुहाग रात में जब घूंघट खोला तो कोई और ही निकली।
So sometimes actually the transformation is stark. बहुत जबरदस्त transformation होता है. And that's why I
Ah,
love doing makeup.
I can't. मैंने कहा मतलब वाकई में कभी कभी मुझे लगता है शादी पे जाते मैंने कहा ऐसे सुंदर इतनी खूबसूरत, और कभी कभी लगता है कि जब ये बाद में निकलेगी घूंघट से सही बोला भैया ने. And Tamanna is asking, ma'am, in your house, the dancer daughter brought makeup to the mother's life. My mom was only able to send me to school with a foundation and lipstick, and artist like you would save my life. Love, she sends you. Your skill is absolutely essential for artists. Exactly, Tamanna. That's why I'm getting them here on the platform, because
Correct.
ऑडियंस एक शो देख के वाह वाह करके आर्टिस्ट को शाबाशी दे के निकल जाती है या निकल जाता है, बट इतना इतना ये सब काम करते हैं जो पैरेलल प्रोफेशंस हमारे साथ हैं. दे एड ऑन सो मच टू दिस शो, सो मच टू दिस शो, दैट not to give them the credits, not to recognize them, not to mention them is a crime. I feel it's a crime, and as a professional I feel it's our duty to bring them in the forefront. And for us, when we are doing our shows, I think they are the forefront warriors for us, because they are managing everything at the back and taking care कि सबके बाल सही रहे, स्प्रे सही जाए, पिंस ना निकले, और लिपस्टिक सही हो, फिर आके ब्रश ऑन करना, लाइक
गजरा ना
एंड
गिरे, अलग करता. जब आप लोग
हाँ
चक्कर लेते हैं, मेरा सारा
हाँ.
ध्यान आपके हेयर पे होता है. इसका गजरा खुल रहा है, इसका
और फिर आप
जूड़ा
लोग
लूज हो
आप
रहा है.
शो भी नहीं देख पाते हो, आप लोग शो भी नहीं देख पाते हो. शो देख रहे, अरे उसका बाल खुल रहा है, फिर भाग रहे हो ऑडिटोरियम से बैक स्टेज में.
मानती का हिल गया, मानती का हिल रहा है.
I swear, I've seen her running. कि मतलब इनको इनकी बेटी भी अगर नाच रही होगी ना, she can never enjoy the show because she is always watching कि किसका बाल खुल रहा है, किसका मांग टीका हिल रहा है, किसका ब्लश ऑन का टचअप देना है. Even for me, she would be coming down. नहीं अलग ना, बाल में थोड़े स्प्रिंकलर्स डाल देते. मैंने कहा छोड़ो अनुराधा, नहीं नहीं स्टेज पे अच्छा लगेगा. So there's so much of work that these people are doing. How can we ever not mention them and thank you from the whole fraternity of artists? Anuradha ji, I thank you and your
Thank you
fraternity
so
for standing by us, for helping us out to do our work with so much of peace of mind, because you're there to take care. और सब हंस रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है उसी बात पे जो भैया ने बोला है कि तुम पिटोगी किसी दिन की, मंडप पे लड़की तो कुछ और थी और सुहाग रात में घूंघट खोला तो कोई और निकली. क्योंकि वहां पे अनुराधा नहीं है मेकअप करने के. And I think everybody is having a good laugh, you know. God bless you, Alexandra Katak. God bless you, my darling. And Bharti Dangi says she's also a dancer and an anchor who was there with us yesterday. And namaste, aapko my face needs lot of correction makeup. If you can share some tips for a round and a heavy face, how can I make it look slim with the help of makeup? Your question.
Okay. So, see, when we do contouring, we use very different products. But for
Anuradha, थोड़ा
you,
loud हो जाओ,
uh,
थोड़ा loud. Speak a little
okay.
louder.
Okay. Is this
Louder.
better?
Yes, yes.
Is this better? Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah. So we use different products for contouring, face cutting. But what you can do is you can pick up a dark brown eyeshadow, and you can use that for contouring. So basically, what we do is we do the sides. If your nose is a little broad, we do the sides with the darker thing. Because if you know painting, if you have some idea of painting, then you will know, dark precedes and light color highlights. It brings out the things. So that's the same principle that's used when we do makeup. So when we use dark color on the sides of the nose will look narrow, and we can use a highlighter, light color on the bridge, on the nose, on this part of the nose. So your nose will start looking little sharper. And similarly, when we are applying blush on, we can use a dark color over here, which will sort of give a feel of of a high cheekbone, and you can use a natural blush on here, and then maybe a little highlighter here to make this pop up. So we use different shades, to give this feel of contouring. So a round face will also need contouring over here. So this is also the part which needs cutting. And then if somebody has a double chin, so you can use that dark powder, just here, a V bit here. It should not sort of, you should not make a V. Please do not do that mistake. Don't make a V. It should be just here and a little bit here. So that will recede your double chin.
Absolutely. I will also take care. Bharti, you have the same problem, the problem that I have. We share the problem, so we will see that we take our tips seriously. And the Rachma, yeah, तमन्ना मांग टीका की बात ही मत करो, एक चक्कर लेना शुरू किया तो हो गया झंझट. And Rima Joman says all the efforts that artists put backstage needs much more appreciation. More power to you. And Alaknanda, thank you for bringing these pretty faces from backstage to front stage in front of the camera. Thank you so much, Rima. It is very important to acknowledge all those people who make the show happen. It is not the only the artist. There's a whole team, जिसको मैं army कहती हूँ. The whole army which works to put the whole production on the stage for the audience, and they are
And
equally
so if I
equal.
can, yeah, so if I can just interrupt here. So Alaknanda, when we handle, your 80 or 100 and 150 artists, so it is something which has to be done in the utmost professional way. So
Yeah.
because we have little time and we have to do so many faces, so the kind, how those 3 hours or 4 hours fly off, we don't even come to know at times. So one
Absolutely.
girl will just keep doing eyeliners. One girl will just do eyeshadows. One girl will just have lipstick in her hand and she'll keep on putting lipsticks for everybody. I like to put bindis when your makeup's on, or when your work is on. I just put bindis for all. That's managing and putting bindis.
No, but even your hairdo is very nice. Your hairdo is also very stylized and very nice. And in fact, because I've experienced both the kind of makeup, I've experienced the stage makeup, whereas I do it myself, but I know that where you're coming and doing the contouring. But when I got to experience your shoot makeup, I was totally blown away. I was totally blown away. I was like, ये चीज तो हमसे ना हो पाए, ये चीज हमसे ना हो पाए. So it was
थैंक गॉड,
wonderful.
अगर आप ये भी कर लेगी तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं कोई शौक नहीं कि मैं आपके सर पे ही बैठने वाली हूँ. आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें. I am
Alaknanda, you'll have to really pray that my staff comes back. I'm working with hardly 1/3 of the staff which I normally have. So I hope that by the time you are doing your next show in Kamani, I'm also working with full force in my salon.
yes. I think this COVID-19 has really put ourselves in a very tight spot, and
Yes.
it is so important that we reach out to our staff and to our people so that we can help them, because right now
Yes.
sustainability is the most important thing, and to be alive and to be healthy is the most important thing. Also to have food at our homes, मतलब घर पे खाना, मतलब नॉट फॉर अस बट यस, जो हमारे साथ काम करते हैं उनके लिए होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And it's
Equal.
our responsibility also to take
Absolutely.
care of. Tell me if you
Absolutely.
have, if you had one of the most bitchiest experience with any of the, because women are not always so kind at the parlor. I've seen women ranting at the parlors. So tell me something, if you had one of those ranting ladies, coming up to your throat and throttling it and saying कि ये क्या कर दिया मेरे साथ.
Yes, there have been instances, though I'm fortunate that I don't have too many of them. But yes, there have been a couple of instances, and sometimes, Alaknanda, when I feel that, we are not wrong, we are, we have done our bit, we have done our best, then I very politely tell them, to look for some other place for their services the next time.
पर ऐसा हुआ है किसी ने किया बहुत गंदे
हाँ
तरीके से?
हाँ, होता है
तो आपने
कभी कभी हो।
प्यार से दरवाजा दिखा दिया, धक्के
नहीं
से
अलकनंदा, अगर हमारी गलती नहीं अलकनंदा, अगर मेरी गलती है then I will, really fold my hands and I'll stand by my client. Like, I'll just share one episode. This happened many years back. Mm, there's a chemical process called smoothing. बाल
Yes.
जो हम permanently straight करते हैं.
हाँ.
So, when we are doing smoothing, then we have different strength of chemicals. तो अगर किसी के virgin hair है, we use the
हाँ.
strongest product. And किसी के अगर already chemically treated बाल है, तो we use a little mild product. Now, if somebody comes with, a normal black hair, you won't know कि कितना color उनके बालों में लगा है. Okay. So I had this client and I asked her कि आप root touch up करती है? She said हाँ मैं करती हूँ. I said बस इतना सा, थोड़ा सा, कभी 2 महीने 3 महीने, बस इतना सा. I said okay. And क्योंकि उनके बाल देख के तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. So I started doing her smoothing, my staff, and to my horror, उनके बाल पूरे ऐसे ऊपर, पूरे. And I realized that her hair is absolutely sensitized. तो कंसल्टेशन में जो बात हुई थी कि मैं थोड़ा सा कलर कभी कभी यूज करती हूँ, वो ठीक नहीं.
Yeah.
And I washed that hair immediately. But now my second challenge was, so the first process is where we are breaking the bonds. So by using the first product, I had broken the bonds. Now my problem was I had to fix those bonds again, which meant again using a chemical on her hair. And I alone know how I manage that hair, Alaknanda, because वो बाल पूरे ऐसे. And the second chemical which we apply, we leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. We can't do it just for 2 minutes. And it was so difficult to manage her hair. And I was very fortunate क्योंकि पूरे बाल almost ठीक थे, सिर्फ आगे के थोड़े से जो बाल थे वो बर्न हो गए थे. Till date, Alaknanda, I have not told this person, and she's such a wonderful friend of mine now. I have not told her because this is not in my habit to. क्योंकि अगर हम बाद में कहेंगे ना तो क्लाइंट को ये लगेगा अपने को बचाने के लिए कह रही है. इमीडिएटली दिमाग में ये चीज आई. तो आज तक मैंने नहीं कहा कि आपके बालों में इतने कलर था कि मेरे को मुसीबत आ गई. एंड शी ऑल्सो लाफ्स अबाउट इट. बट जब तक उनके ये वाले बाल फ्रिजी रहे अलकनंदा फॉर 2 or 3 months, whenever she had to go for a party, I used to send my girls to her house to do ironing. I've really stood by her. So sometimes we have to stand by the clients. अगर हमें लगता है कि we
बस sometimes also ना, मतलब एक तो सच्चाई से बताए ना कि कितना कलर डाला है. तो उसमें आपकी गलती थोड़ी ना, तो क्लाइंट की गलती है कि भैया ईमानदारी से बता तो दो कि कितना रंग डाला हुआ है, कितनी.
हाँ, बट अलकनंदा उस टाइम ये बात करना फिर बेमायने था क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी अगर उस टाइम हम कुछ कहते तो ये लगता कि शायद अपने को बचाने के लिए कह रही है. And then here is something every woman is obsessed about. So I had to stand by her and see till date she is my client. वो कहीं नहीं जाएंगी क्योंकि हस्बैंड कितना ही कहेंगे. She will not go anywhere but she'll come to.
Right.
So that's the kind of bond you have to develop.
Absolutely, you have to develop. Sangeeta Das Banerjee saying, what do you think about age and makeup? Should it be age appropriate?
Absolutely. It should be age appropriate. And the major problem comes when we are handling mature skin is because there's a lot of pigmentation. Okay?
Right.
And there are also fine lines. So now our problem is that we cannot use a light base and get away with it because there's so much of unevenness or pigmentation on the skin. So we have to, layer it because we have to use your concealer and then maybe a little darker base here or a lighter base there. Yet there are fine lines. So if we make it too cakey, it will start showing. So sometimes when little elderly people come, they say, "अरे हमारे को तो बस हल्का फुल्का मेकअप करवाना है, हम तो बस इतने साल के हो गए." And then in my heart I know कि मैम आपका आई शेडो इतना ड्रामेटिक नहीं होगा जितना मे बी मैं आपकी बेटी का करूंगी. But then it's your skin where I have to really show my talent and I have to really work on your skin. So it has to be age appropriate and skin appropriate also. Because if your
Yeah.
skin is dry, then you should pick a liquidy or a creamy base. If it is too oily, then it should be more powdery. So definitely, makeup has to be appropriate to the age.
And she says women of certain age often stop taking care of themselves, and that is really sad. That happens in India. भैया शादी हो गई
But
अब क्या
Alexander,
करना?
for a
But
person like you and
answer.
me, we
Yeah,
love ourselves.
yeah,
You
yeah,
love
yeah.
yourself.
I have,
I love and I
I
pamper
have
myself.
learned, I have learned it late, but I have learned it that it is so,
Yeah.
so, so important to love yourself.
So
So,
please
so, so
love your
important.
see. अच्छा एक चीज, we want our husbands to love us, we want our children to love us, but we will not love ourselves. Why? Why can't we start with ourselves? So please love
Yes,
yourself first.
yes,
मेरे
absolutely.
साथ
I
यही वाला
agree.
मेरे मेरे साथ यही वाला plan था because my son went away for his higher studies, engineering कर रहा है वो, he went to Manipal, and my daughter had picked up a job. एंड पहले इन बच्चों के साथ, एंड इसकी जॉब भी ऐसी थी, ये रात में 9:30-10 बजे वापस आती थी, शाम को रात ही हो जाती थी। तो पहले इन बच्चों के साथ जब ये लोग स्कूल में होते थे तो होता था कि निकल गए हम लोग शॉपिंग करने या खाने चले गए बाहर। Of course, my husband does take us for outings, but then we used to have our own time also. But then all of a sudden I realized कि बच्चे ही नहीं रहे, अब बच्चे नहीं रहे तो हम बाहर जाना बंद कर दिया। और फिर एक रोज मैंने बहुत हिम्मत जुटाई, मैंने कहा आज आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रीट माई सेल्फ कम वॉट एवर मे, एंड देन आई वेंट टू खान मार्केट एंड आई वेंट टू मामा गोटू, and I was, first time I was so conscious while ordering the food for myself, and when I was eating I was like almost, but then I went
Yeah,
second time, and then when I went third time, and then I was more
very
comfortable.
important.
So you must please freak
Problem you're
out,
thinking
enjoy
India mein, I
yourself.
think the woman prioritize themselves at the end, last May, which by that time many things are gone.
Yes,
So it's
true.
very important, very, very important that you need to prioritize yourself also. In fact,
Yes.
Anuradha ji doing this show, which because I was doing this show because I wanted to get up and talk about many things that the society needs to listen and to change. I want to become that
Yes.
catalyst. Agar if discussions, if talk can change something in the society for betterment, it is better. So even to get up and get ready to be in front of the audience is an effort, but I love doing that because I love myself and I love the audience that we are talking to. So it is very
Absolutely.
important. Unless and until you love yourself, you can't even love the audience.
Like Alaknanda, I wanted to color my hair red. And in
Right.
this lockdown, I felt this was the best time to color my hair red because I was really going out. And I did it because, Alaknanda, that was not hurting anybody. So,
Yes.
you enjoy yourself. Of course, I mean, I'm not saying that you don't take care of your kids, you don't take care of your family, but please
We
do
do
take care of
everything.
yourself. Otherwise,
Yes.
yes,
We
because
do
otherwise we'll become
everything.
grumpy old women. I don't want to become a grumpy old woman who, when her daughter-in-law goes out, is fretting and fuming कि वो तो बाहर घूमने चली गई, हमने तो कभी ऐसा करा नहीं. So
Right. Right.
I take care of my,
Yes. Yes. I party with my sons.
yeah.
And Nibhaji says, are you getting people to your saloon in spite of COVID? No.
Yes.
Acha,
Yes,
after the opening of
but
the
we
lockdown.
have, yeah, no, but I have two shops, and my shops have got cubicles. So we are very particular about social distancing, and whatever precautions we can take, we are doing that. I'm not overlapping my appointments, and people are full of praise, Sagananda. If I could, I can't, but if I could have shown some videos to you, because I take videos about the feedback from my clients and I post it to other clients. I mean, people are really appreciative of the precautions that we are taking. We ask them to take out their slippers outside the salon. We give them another pair, and we have kept a foot sanitizer. We have a thermal scanner. My staff is wearing PPEs We have face shields. We are doing everything. We have kept a huge sanitizing machine. So every time a client goes, I sanitize my entire shop. And when a client comes, then in front of her again, my staff will sanitize the entire thing. So, by the grace of God, so far so good. People are going very happy and satisfied. And one most beautiful thing which has happened, Lakanda, is that till now my clientele was more ladies were coming in because I started my gents venture about 3 years back. Now in this COVID, because gents definitely need a haircut, so all of a sudden my gents clientele has increased because women are still maybe shying, they are not coming themselves, but they're sending their husbands to my salon. So that is one wonderful thing which is happening. So I'm growing my gents
Change.
clientele
In
definitely.
fact, Prabhat Bhatt says, "Hi, Anuradha. Good to see you." And Tamanna has the same question that you just put up about the men. Ma'am, can you talk about your experience with doing makeup for men? Society doesn't allow them to fully explore makeup openly.
Okay. So, see, now the trend is that grooms do like to get their makeups done, and the makeup that we do for men is different from what we do for a woman. So, like contouring is an absolute no for a guy. Normally, we don't contour their faces. The blush also that we apply for women is, like up. The stroke goes up, but for a man, it's like more around, right here. And of course, I haven't really done a full blown makeup for a guy, but I've done makeup for guys while I used to do for shoots. And that time we used to use minimal makeup just to give them a little, uh,
Right.
a little, a clearer skin or a little pink on the cheeks and a little rosy lips. That's it.
Amazing. हाँ, हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं कि आदमी रो नहीं सकता, आदमी ज्वेलरी पहनता नहीं है, आदमी मेकअप नहीं कर सकता. These little stigmas or the
Yes.
stupid things are there.
So you should
More
see
for-
Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh in a
Yeah,
skirt and Deepika Padukone in trousers.
yeah,
Absolutely
yeah.
fine. And he carries
No,
off with style.
yeah, yeah. He's bindas. He's completely
Bindas.
bindas.
So it
What is
ultimately,
the
it boils
yeah?
down to you ultimately.
What is the basic minimum makeup one should do after 50 plus?
Okay, so see, as I said, when you're 50 plus, pigmentation does start showing. Unevenness shows on your skin.
Yeah.
So most probably you will need concealer, है ना? And then maybe a base, a very light eyeshadow, a liner maybe on your upper eyelid. Maybe you can just leave your lower eyelids. I don't like to, anyway, I don't like to do lower eyelids with too much of liner. You can just use a little dark brown pencil on the outside if you want. A very nudish kind of a blush and a nude lipper. That should finish the finish of the makeup. That should be perfect. Nothing very loud. I'm not too much into red lips and all. My eyes are at times little more dramatic, but I like to normally keep my lips nude. But then, of course, it
Yeah,
depends on each person.
I must. You just said what I was thinking, because usually I always wear a red or a dark pink or a
Yes.
maroonish,
So,
but today I made it a nude pink.
uh, okay.
पता
Perfect.
नहीं क्यों किया मैंने.
Perfect.
मैंने आज पहना
मैं
तो
आने
रेड
वाली
था
थी ना
but
मैं आने वाली थी आपके शो में न्यूड लिप्स
हाँ, nude
See,
lips
why
and
I
like
like to go in for no, why I like to go in for nude lips because if you have seen, I like to do my eyes almost black.
okay.
My eyes are complete पूरा smoky type का ही होता है. So I like to do my eyes like that, and that's why for personal makeup I like to keep my lips very nude. But yes, if your eye makeup is not very heavy, then you can go in for a little dark shade of lipstick. You can do that.
So nice tips, विभा जी. आपने सही पूछ लिया. 4 साल में मैं भी 50 की होने वाली हूँ. तो आपने एकदम सही सवाल पूछ लिया.
अच्छा
मेकअप.
अलकनंदा, आप 4 साल में 50 की, मैं तो
यस.
पिछले 34 ईयर्स से 16 की चल रही हूँ।
ओ, उसमें मैं ऐसे में मैं 18 से एक कदम आगे नहीं हूँ. आप 16 में
अच्छा
हो,
फिर
मैं
ठीक है।
18 में हूँ. क्योंकि मुझे
अच्छा
सब
फिर
कुछ,
ठीक है।
वो मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए ना. मतलब ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, ड्रिंकिंग
अच्छा
लाइसेंस,
अच्छा।
वोटिंग वोटिंग राइट्स. तो उसके लिए 18
ओके
होना. So
ओके।
I'm not 16. I don't believe in sweet 16. I believe in being a complete naughty 18. And especially naughty. And you know, the new thing is that naughty at 40. So now I'm quite above, so I can
यस
afford to be 40, naughty also. So एकदम
यस।
एकदम 50 की तो I want to throw a big party when I turn 50. And Arjita says makeup should be done while thinking how we like it or how others would like to watch. Matlab, should we do it according to what
Always
we
how you
like,
like.
or should it be according to
No,
what others like?
because you will you will not be comfortable if you're doing makeup how others like. If you ask me to put a red lipper, I will not be comfortable. Even for weddings when I go, my lips are very nude, and I'm comfortable with that. People wear reds for weddings, absolutely nice, and they look fabulous in red. It's not that they really carry off red very well, but my lips are pretty patla patla, so I don't like to wear too much of red on my lips, and I'm very comfortable. So always makeup according to your taste and your style. You should be the protagonist. People should follow you. You should set
Absolutely.
up the bar.
Very pretty lady, she asked this question. And Pratibha Bhatt says, Anu, very soon coming to you for my boy's haircut. You have given me a reason like
Appointment
Adu
given.
needs a haircut. Adu needs a haircut, so I will be coming. कोई border खुला हो ताकि मैं दिल्ली में आ जाऊं और आपके पास और आदू का हेयर कट करवा दूं. ये विभा जी के क्वेश्चन पे कह रही हैं. लव द क्वेश्चन. एंड विभा जी सेज नाइस टिप्स. And age is just a number. Agreed, Sangeeta. Agreed, absolutely. Age is just a number. And विभा कपूर जी कह रही तुम 18 बरस में 16 बरस की चाल चल रही हो. अच्छा, क्या 18 वर्ष में 16 वर्ष चल रही. हाँ हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल. मैं एकदम मैं मेरी हरकतें भी ना वैसी हैं. आई हैव नॉट मदर ऑफ टू, बट मेरी हरकतें एकदम बच्चों वाली हो जाती है. तमन्ना से सो वेल सेड. आई थिंक शी इज saying it for the Arjita question that one should do the makeup for oneself and not for what others like to watch. This was lovely. मुझे ये बताओ, फ्री टाइम पे क्या करते हो आप, अनुराधा? What is your favorite pastime?
So, Alaknanda, I devote a lot of time to my Buddhist practice.
Okay.
I chant a lot, and there's a lot of study that we have to do. And apart from that, I am a fitness freak. So, I used to go swimming and gymming. So, 2 to 3 hours, would be devoted to this. And now that my parents are with me and everybody is at home, so मेरा क्या होता है, आधा घंटा इनके पास बैठती हूँ, आधा घंटा वहां बैठती हूँ, आधा घंटा चलो बच्चे
Oh,
के पास
so
बैठ
sweet.
जाती हूँ, 5 मिनट हस्बैंड के पास, देन बैक टू आधा घंटा पेरेंट्स, आधा घंटा इस बच्चा, आधा घंटा वो बच्चा, एंड 5 मिनट हस्बैंड. सो आजकल तो यही चल रहा है पूरे टाइम.
हाँ.
एंड दिस
आई
वेरी
थिंक फैमिली टाइम बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है, पर भैया ये नोट कर लेंगे कि आपने 5 मिनट बोला भैया के लिए.
उनको 5 मिनट भी आधा घंटा जैसे ही लगता होगा, आई एम श्योर.
That's lovely. That's lovely. अनुराधा जी, it was lovely talking to you. बड़ा मजा आया और बहुत सारे टिप्स हम आपसे लेके जा रहे हैं. And I pray that your work really grows up a lot, because you are just not working for yourself. You are giving work to other women. That's one of the biggest thing. मतलब अपनी रोटी तो हर कोई सेकना जानता है, पर दूसरों को भी रोटी सेकने देना, और दूसरों के भी किचन का ख्याल रखना, to make another woman independent, I think it's a very, very noble job which you are doing. And there are so many girls who are getting groomed by you, and I think they might be opening up their own parlors also somewhere who move out.
Innumerable, Alaknanda. I have trained so many because I give free training to girls who are from economically backward class. I don't charge a single penny. So once it so happened that I had to go to a particular salon in Mayur Vihar, and
Right.
because I was looking for staff, so I just peeped into that salon. It was a very small place, very very small. And when I peeped, there was this girl who said, "Ma'am, आप आइए बैठिए यहाँ पे." And I was lost. I said, "Who is she?" मैंने कहा, "बेटे तुम मुझे जानती हो?" She said, "हाँ मैम, मैंने आपके यहीं तो काम सीखा था." So अलकनंदा,
Wow.
इतने लोग हैं जिन्होंने मेरे यहाँ से काम सीखा है, एंड मेरे यहाँ से काम सीख के ही ऑलमोस्ट वसुंधरा एनक्लेव पूरा जो है, कोई ना कोई लड़की, कोई ना कोई आपको मिलेगा, स्टाफ का मिल जाएगा. एंड आई हैव लॉस्ट काउंट हाउ मेनी पीपल मस्ट हैव आई ट्रेन्ड, एंड आई एम
Amazing.
ब्लेस्ड
So
दैट देयर आर.
this is what is very nice, Anuradha ji, that a woman, when a woman stands up for a woman and supports a woman and also gives a woman the chance of earning their livelihood, I think वो बहुत ही बड़ी बात है और बहुत ही अच्छा काम है जो आप कर रहे हो. और तुलिका प्रसाद कहती बहुत अच्छा लगा अनुराधा जी से बात सुनकर, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड विभा जी says thank you for the excellent session, and Sangeeta says, so true, more power to you. Very nice session, thank you. It was really nice आपसे बात करते हुए, and all the tips that we have learned from you, we will apply it on ourselves. And I
Sure.
pray and I hope this COVID situation goes off soon, and you get more rocking business and more people come to your parlor, and including me too.
I pray for the safety and well-being of each and every one of you. Everyone should be safe, and I'm sure everybody must be impacted in some way or the other. So I pray for
Right.
the happiness of each and every person.
आज का सेशन बहुत सुंदर रहा, बहुत धमाकेदार रहा. आज का मेकअप के टिप्स सभी को मिले, और ये ध्यान रखिएगा that age is just a number and you got to do makeup for yourself, not for others. Also that you need to take care of yourself, and it is important that you love yourself. It's very important. And आप कहीं से भी बिजनेस शुरू कर सकते हैं, like Anuradha did it from her bedroom, and now she has a booming salon to herself in Delhi. And there's nobody who has a will, there's nobody who can stop your way. So keep it moving, keep it rocking, and everybody. And कल हम फिर एक guest से मिलेंगे who again is a very important career professional for the line of show, and is his complete support to the artist fraternity, and that is a costume designer, and a textile revivalist. Yes, थोड़ा सा मुझे pronunciation सही करना पड़ेगा, सीख रही हूँ. And costume designer who is very important. हाँ हाँ, अपनी गलतियों से सीखना चाहिए ना अनुराधा. So
हम सभी
uh,
सीखते हैं. We are all
हाँ.
learning. जब तक जिंदगी
And
है तब तक सीखना ही है.
absolutely. And tomorrow we'll be meeting Sandhya Ramanji, who is a costume designer. I've seen her wonderful costumes in so many productions, and she's a name to reckon upon. And let's see what she has to say, because costumes are very important for your shows. Costumes are very important for any show that you do, whether it's a stage or whether it's movie or whether it's a television. So it's important we understand what her journey is. कल हम फिर मिलेंगे 7 बजे इसी समय इसी जगह पर. एंड कोविड 19 गया नहीं है, गया नहीं है, गया नहीं है. सो मास्क पहनिए, हाथ धोइए, सैनिटाइज कीजिए, and keep distance. So keep it rocking, and I think it's going to be amazing time that you have over here. And there's so much more to learn from all the ladies over here. And see you tomorrow. कल फिर मिलते हैं. Good night, Shabbat khair, and pray and sleep. Pray and sleep.